In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in Pandadoc. Let's start from the very beginning. When someone sends you a document to sign through Pandadoc, you'll receive an email invitation. In that email, look for the button that says Open Document. Go ahead and click that. This takes you directly into the Pandadoc viewer in your browser, so you don't need to install any software or create an account just to sign. Once the document opens, you'll usually see a clean layout with the document in the center and some options along the top. To begin the signing process, head to the top right corner and click the button labeled Start. This is a really helpful shortcut. Instead of scrolling through the entire document trying to find where you need to sign or fill things in, Pandadoc will automatically jump to the first field that requires your attention. When the document scrolls to that first required field, look for the signature area. It's typically outlined in red or otherwise highlighted so it stands out from the rest of the text. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear with options for how you want to create your signature. Here, you have three main choices. You can type your name and let Pandadoc generate a stylized signature for you. This is the fastest option and works well if you're on a keyboard. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, which is handy if you want it to look more like your real handwritten signature. Or you can upload an image of your existing signature if you already have one saved. Choose the option that feels most comfortable and professional for your situation. After you've created the signature you're happy with, click Accept and Sign in that pop-up window. Pandadoc will place your signature inside the signature field you clicked earlier. Take a quick second to visually confirm it looks correct and is in the right spot. If there are other required fields, Pandadoc may guide you through them automatically. Once everything is completed, look for the Finish button, usually at the top or sometimes at the bottom of the page. Click Finish to finalize the document. This step is important because it confirms that you're done and triggers a notification back to the sender, letting them know the document has been fully signed. And that's it. You've successfully signed a document in Pandadoc from start to finish.